All right. Welcome to today's episode. All right. So don't move a step. Don't move a step. Let me teach you something. Learn something new today. All right. So today's video, I will be guiding you on how you can get backlinks to your website. All right. Like originally, without paying a dime on it. Like you don't need to pay anything for you to get these backlinks. All right. So if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Easy Web Tutorials Hub, where you learn everything about money, how to make money online the legit way, and how to do some of the things you can't find any other places. All right. So what you should do here is just keep your finger crossed, because I'm going to guide you on how you can get dofollow backlinks to your website. This list of backlinks, dofollow backlinks that you'll be getting to your website, is the original with low spam score. All right. So these are backlinks that will increase your domain authority and you start ranking on Google first page. All right, like the search result page, you will come first. So what you should learn here actually is for you to put your mind down. You learn about the backlink strategies that I use to increase my domain authority. All right, so I manually don't create most of these things, and they are not automatic either. Sorry. So what I do actually is I'll be showing you the 3 or to 4 strategies that I use to get free backlinks. All right, so the first one, I will start like this and you will get to know everything about. And the first strategy that I use for this, my backlinks work, my SEO backlink strategies, is I create forum backlinks, like profile backlinks, forum, and all of those stuff. These are set like Behance.com, about.me, and all of those websites, even LinkedIn, like social from Pinterest, and all of those stuff. I create those backlinks. Okay, that's the first strategy that I use. And the second SEO backlink creation method that I use is guest posting. I guest post, and whenever I guest post, I make sure the person I'm submitting this link to doesn't tag it as guest post or any of those things like that. All right, so it is shown originally that is backlink. Like I get them organically. So, and the first method in this backlink creation is I actually create profile backlinks. Okay, I create profile backlinks, and this profile backlinks site like Behance.com, a start area like Pinterest. Okay, these are some of the places I get my backlinks from for free. Okay, I create them, then I add my website link, and I start getting backlinks directly. I get them indexed automatically, and I have those backlinks. All right, so that's the first method I use. Okay, and yourself, you can just create a simple backlinks with that. All right, with that same method that I use. Okay, so what you should learn exactly is that the list, I will attach a list of profile backlink sites that you can use. Okay, you can use them and you get reasonable backlinks to your website. All right, so I'm heading over to the second one is guest posting. I guest post. All right, I write for websites, then my reward actually is to get a backlink from that website. Okay, which is dofollow. I make sure the website owner doesn't tag it as guest post. All right, so and my links will be dofollow. I get a dofollow and a no follow from the site to my root domain and to either of these content that is related to the one I submitted to this website. All right, so that's the second method. And the third one is sponsor a post. I sponsor a post, like most times it could be indirect, like I do it in exchange of a service. All right, so I offer a service to them without paying them actually directly. I'll offer a service, then I get a backlink to my website. All right, so that is another method that I use to get backlinks to my website without paying a dime. All right, so and the other method I'm going to be stating here, which works most for me. This method works so well for me, like, because what I do actually is just set the web. Whenever I see a site with high domain authority and the site is well to do, has something reasonable to offer, I go to their older post, look at the post, and I write to the admin that I want to throw more light on their content, and I will rewrite the content for them. I will update the content for them, and at the end I get rewarded with backlinks, and this works so well for me. Like, I've been using this for ages, and I've been able to pull traffic from this same article that are ranking already. Okay, what this actually do for you is that you don't only get traffic, you don't only get backlink from this website, you will also be getting traffic. All right, real traffic from this thing, and it will increase your traffic as well. All right, so what I do here, actually, like I said, I will just check on the site, and if the site is ranking, so long as the site is, you actually add some missing stuff to the article. All right, like you update it, add subheadings, do some of those search engine optimization, you optimize the content, then at the end you get backlinks to your website, just like that. All right, so you're going to be writing the article like rewriting the article, but to add some of the missing stuff that other content has and it doesn't have. All right, so then in as much as you're creating this, you will need to create a content yourself. You need to create a content around that. All right, a content that is quite related to the one you're updating, so that you can get backlinks to that site. You start ranking the article immediately without suffering yourself or paying for backlinks. All right, so here with my tips, these tips will guide you on how to get backlinks without paying a dime. All right, get backlinks to your site without paying a dime. This happens, and I have been using it to get free backlinks without buying them. Actually, though you can get some from Fiverr, Upwork, and trust me, these are high quality backlinks. The backlinks are high quality. They are dofollow backlinks, and this is one of the SEO smart key that I use to get backlinks unlimitedly. All right, so you can on your own decide to take on this and start using the same method to get quality high quality backlinks. Dofollow, extremely dofollow, like it's automatically, everything about it is dofollow. All right, so these are dofollow backlinks. You're going to be using some of those let me say comment backlinks to complement it, since you're not going to be relying on dofollow alone. To balance everything, you're going to be using comment backlinks as well. All right, so but this SEO smart key work for me a lot. These are high quality. All right, high quality SEO backlinks. You can use it and you start getting backlinks to your website unlimitedly. All right, so if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, drop a comment, to like and share with your friends. And trust me, these are high quality backlinks. The backlinks are high quality. They are dofollow backlinks, and this is one of the SEO smart key that I use to get backlinks unlimitedly. All right, so you can on your own decide to take on this and start using the same method to get quality high quality backlinks. Dofollow, extremely dofollow, like it's automatically, everything about it is dofollow. All right, so these are dofollow backlinks. You're going to be using some of those let me say comment backlinks to complement it, since you're not going to be relying on dofollow alone. To balance everything, you're going to be using comment backlinks as well. All right, so but this SEO smart key work for me a lot. These are high quality. All right, high quality SEO backlinks. You can use it and you start getting backlinks to your website unlimitedly. All right, so if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, drop a comment, to like and share with your friends.